Welcome to this guide on deploying MLflow on Kubernetes. MLflow is an open-source platform for managing the machine learning lifecycle. We'll cover how to deploy it on Kubernetes using Helm. MLflow provides 4 components: tracking for experiments and metrics, projects for reproducible code packaging, models for deployment management, and the model registry for centralized versioning. This deployment focuses on a shared production-ready MLflow server for team collaboration. You'll need Kubernetes 1.24 or later with kube control configured, Helm 3.0 or later, and optionally ArgoCD for GitOps deployment. You'll also need a storage class supporting ReadWriteMany mode like Longhorn, NFS, or EFS, Gateway API for ingress, and sealed secrets for encrypted credential management. The community-maintained MLflow chart provides production-ready configurations, set up environment variables for the Helm repository, URL, and chart name to ensure consistency throughout the workflow. Query the chart to identify versions. The chart version represents Helm packaging, while the app version indicates the MLflow server version being deployed. Check for custom resource definitions. The MLflow chart typically doesn't include CRDs, simplifying deployment. If present, they'd require separate handling in ArgoCD workflows. Export the default values YAML file to review configurable parameters including resource allocations, backend storage options, artifact configurations, and security settings. You can also extract the chart locally to inspect templates and deployment logic. Production deployment requires a shared database for replica consistency, persistent storage for artifacts, secure access with authentication, and high availability support. The directory structure organizes deployment artifacts for GitOps. There is an ArgoCD application manifest file and a customization folder with resource manifest files. 3 additional resources are required: sealed secret for PostgreSQL credentials, encrypted in Git, PVC with ReadWriteMany access for multi-replica artifact access, and HTTPRoute for traffic routing with authentication middleware. Sealed secrets store credentials securely in Git. The sealed secrets controller decrypts them into standard Kubernetes secrets. They enable GitOps workflows, encryption at rest, cluster-specific decryption, and audit trails. The secret name follows the pattern release name -PostgreSQL. For a release named MLflow, it becomes MLflow-PostgreSQL. Create sealed secrets using the kubectl CLI. Generate a plain secret with kube control, pipe it to kubectl for encryption, then commit the encrypted YAML file. MLflow stores models, plots, datasets, and parameters. These require persistence and concurrent access across replicas. Key requirements: read-write. Many access mode for concurrent pod access, 2 to 10 gigabytes initial storage scaling as needed, and a compatible storage class like Longhorn, RWX, NFS, EFS, Azure Files, or Google File Store. RWX is critical for proxied artifact storage. Multiple replicas need shared access. Without it, artifacts would be inconsistent across pods. Start with 2 to 5 gigabytes, monitor with kube control describe, and expand as needed. HTTPRoute provides declarative ingress using Gateway API. It exposes MLflow externally while integrating authentication. The architecture includes a gateway as the ingress point, HTTPRoute for routing rules, middleware for request processing, and forward auth for identity provider delegation. Forward auth offers centralized management, SSO integration, fine-grained access control, audit logging, and MFA support. Advantages over MLflow's limited built-in authentication: configure the HTTPRoute with gateway referenced, host names, path matching, middleware filters, and back-end service references. Forward auth middleware handles authentication before requests reach MLflow. The custom -values YAML file customizes the chart for production. It configures a shared PostgreSQL database replacing SQLite, persistent artifact storage with volume mounts, and environment variables for behavior and connectivity. Disable MLflow's built-in auth since forward auth handles it. Configure PostgreSQL connection parameters with password injected from the secret. For backend storage, Postgres-enabled must be false when PostgreSQL-enabled is true. They're mutually exclusive. Enable the PostgreSQL subchart, specify auth credentials, and reference the existing sealed secret. Configure proxied artifact storage so clients upload through MLflow, simplifying configuration and enabling authentication. Mount the PVC at the path matching the default artifact's destination. Customize orchestrates deployment, combining the Helm chart with additional resources declaratively. Specify the target namespace, list resources including sealed secret, PVC, and HTTPRoute, and define Helm integration with chart name, version, repository, and values file. Customize handles deployment order automatically, namespace creation, sealed secret deployment, PVC provisioning, Helm chart installation, and HTTPRoute configuration. ArgoCD provides Git-driven continuous deployment with declarative infrastructure, automated sync, self-healing, and audit trails. The application resource defines what to deploy and how. Configure metadata, finalizers, deployment target, ArgoCD project, Git repository details, and automated sync policy. Resources finalizer ensures clean deletion, prune removes resources deleted from Git, self-heal reverts manual changes, create namespace eliminates manual setup, apply the application manifest with kube control, ArgoCD clones the repo, renders resources, applies to the cluster, monitors health, and continuously syncs. To uninstall, delete the application. This removes deployments, pods, stateful sets, services, HTTPRoute, and decrypted secrets. The artifact PVC persists by default unless explicitly deleted. For environments without ArgoCD, direct Helm installation is faster for development but requires manual management and lacks automated sync. Manually create the namespace, apply the sealed secret, and create the PVC before installation. Run Helm upgrade with the install flag for idempotent installation. Use cleanup on fail for automatic rollback, create namespace for automation, version for pinning, and values for custom configuration. After installation, apply the HTTPRoute for external access. Verify with pod status checks, service endpoints, PostgreSQL connection logs, and API port forwarding tests. To uninstall, remove the Helm release. PVCs persist by default. Delete namespace for complete removal or selectively delete PVCs. Data scientists use JupyterHub with MLflow for centralized experimentation, reproducible configuration, and full version control. The model config YAML file centralizes configuration following infrastructure as code principles, define model algorithm and hyperparameters, data preprocessing with reproducible random states, and MLflow tracking URI. Use local mode for development or remote mode for production. Always use service DNS for Kubernetes deployments. The UI provides experiment, exploration, and registry management with forward auth security. Navigate to the HTTPRoute host name. Authentication flows through the gateway, middleware, identity provider, then MLflow. Benefits include centralized management, MFA support, session handling, and audit logging. View models in the registry with names, versions, aliases, and timestamps. Inspect details including schemas for API contracts, versions with timestamps and aliases, and actions for promotion. Schemas validate request formats, document features, detect drift, and enable code generation. Use the public hostname for external UI and API access with authentication required. For internal cluster access, use service DNS to avoid ingress overhead. Format options include full FQDN, namespace shorthand, or service name only. Benefits include no ingress overhead, faster pod-to-pod communication, no authentication within trust boundaries, and no external network costs. This guide covered production MLflow deployment on Kubernetes from infrastructure to deployment, key achievements, scalable infrastructure with PostgreSQL and RWX storage, GitOps integration with ArgoCD, secure access with forward auth, team collaboration with centralized tracking, and production integration with Python API. The workflow. Data scientists develop in JupyterHub, experiments log to MLflow, models register with versioning, Teams promote via aliases, services load dynamically, applications consume predictions, and operations monitor performance. Extend with monitoring via Prometheus, backup with PostgreSQL and PVC snapshots, high availability with multiple replicas, model serving with Kserve, CI/CD automation, and fine-grained access control. This provides a foundation for production machine learning lifecycle management. Thank you for watching.